Hi everyone, what's up? I'm here with Joshy Poo.
What did you just call
We're river fishing today.
A little racy, but I like it.
So we're by the river. Yeah, we're gonna go for some kitties, sturgeon.
Ooh,
I don't know.
It's a river. We don't
It's
know
a river.
what
We
we're
don't
going
know.
for. We're throwing out stuff and seeing what works.
And it's morel mushroom season, so we might go look for some mushrooms.
Chad.
And we might cook some walleyes later too. Okay.
We got
Dang,
a
look at
walleye.
that butt. Oh no.
You can just, I'll show you how to edit it to a black screen. You'll be good.
Oh no. I'm gonna go look for some mushrooms now.
I'm gonna throw out kitty poles.
Okay.
God bless.
Yep. God bless. Going mushroom hunting today. Whoop. Dirty old river. I got it.
Turn the clicker off. That's definitely a fish. What was that? That was a fish, wasn't it?
Yeah. Didn't look very big.
I mean, it's a pretty big piece of shad. So no mushrooms, huh?
No.
Yeah, there's things around.
That one?
That's all fish, it ain't bad. I was just reeling this in to throw it back out. Sturgeon! Nice!
Cute.
He's tiny, but he is a sturgeon.
He ain't bad.
Yeah, 3-way rig did it. I was just complaining about it. I mean,
Just a little guy.
take my picture. Yeah, you don't have to. I was just kidding anyway. That is a shovel nose
Dolphin.
sturgeon dolphin thing. Spiny little bastard. I feel like these are sharper than the ones we got out of the other river. Like, that's okay, spine butt.
He's making weird sounds.
They're kind of scary. There is pallid sturgeon though. If we got a pallid sturgeon, I'd shit my britches.
Yeah.
This is just your run-of-the-mill dirtbag tiny shovel nose. I also am not sure how I'm supposed to release him. We're on the board, boo.
Should we do a challenge?
I don't know. Not really. I probably will lose. I think the challenge is the river and trying to catch stuff. But I guess if you want, I'm up 1-0.
Alright.
Alright. I'm gonna go like release him
Gracefully.
Whoa! See him?
Yep.
He's tailwater. Let's get you another night crawler pole rigged up and start night crawlering around and see what else we can get. What do you say?
Yep.
Yeah.
Alrighty, I'm gonna try this 2-ounce weight, flat. A little wormy dermy.
If you're going over there, I'd take a box of crawlers.
Yeah, I probably will.
We got enough crawlers.
So long.
So long, good luck.
Wish me luck. I'm gonna go right there.
Start moving the hauler if you get one.
Oh, I will. Thank you. I got my phone. I got batteries. Should be okay.
Right up here if you need anything.
Okay, bye. Good luck. Should I take the log or should I take this way? Probably go this way. It's a good spot over here. Alright, I put it out about 10 feet and it's got the flat weight, so it should stay pretty well. The current's not super strong over here, so you can see when it goes off. one. I got a little baby channel. I didn't hear anything, so figured there was nothing on there. There we go. Little baby channel. Alright, we're gonna try a different spot. This one's not producing very much.
That's legit gotta be like 75 feet.
Seriously?
It took a 4-ounce weight, like 15 seconds to get the water.
Would a blue hit a night crawler?
Yeah, probably not. I caught tiny blues last time. I was at that other spot.
Really? I think it was just moving. I don't know. Something just moved right there. I don't know. It probably does. Good catch.
Decent throw. You're closer to shore than that, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm right. Just right offshore. It's really deep right there, so.
Where I threw this one clear out there, and that I literally threw in that big giant whirlpool. It was like, has to be like 7 feet.
Mm-hmm.
That's where it's getting hit.
It's crazy. The one you just threw out should do really good. Oh man.
Got one.
It ain't small.
It ain't small.
Do you need help?
I need it to not come off like that.
I don't know.
Stuck in a tree.
Oh my goodness.
Did you see that?
Yeah. I thought you were gonna get ripped in the water.
That was big. How did that come off?
That was crazy.
What the f happened? That wasn't a small fish at all.
No.
That thing came up and just buried it on its own.
Oh, one's getting hit. Ah, it's tiny. No.
That was serious.
Yeah.
I gotta go get back and get a piece of shad.
Oh, okay. That was insane.
We might need to go just ditch the night crawler pole and go get the catfish pole. Potentially.
Oh, oh.
Oh shit.
Tiny
Drumfish.
drumfish.
Still doing better here than we were at the first spot.
Oh yeah. Nice. Hi bud, how are you?
Good work, dude.
Thanks.
Hope that any damn thing at this point.
After you just,
Catch whatever the hell I just lost.
yeah,
Like that.
whatever you just lost was much bigger, but drumfish.
I gotta find a way down to the water to clean my damn shoes off.
Oh yeah, that's nasty. Ew. Ew.
Well, I'm getting tapped with the drag and loose. Shad's almost getting hit more than the night crawlers.
Yeah. Shad's super fresh too.
Yeah, it's stinky and oily stuff, so I'm banking on the shad to catch this monster. Hopefully we can catch some small fish in between, but yeah. Might have to go get another catfish pole. Did you see that thing about rip the damn pole in the water?
Yeah. And you were like,
The drag drag was tight and it was pulling line up. So I'm standing over by this one.
Alright, see you soon.
I'll be back in the gym.
Okay. Hope I catch a massive fish while he's gone. He's gonna go get more poles and more bait. Scared and excited. Because whatever he just had was frickin' huge. Like huge, huge. That's a big meaty one.
Yeah, that's a similar piece to what actually got ate by that.
Oh, jeez. Ooh.
Holy
Is it? What is it?
boo, it is the biggest fucking grass carp I've ever seen. You are not, I hate to say it, but I don't think you're gonna get that in. That's like a 20-pound grass carp. We gotta be careful, and I gotta get it in the
Okay.
first try. It's a monster.
Okay. Oh, there's a stick right there. No.
Giant.
Oh my god, that is huge.
It's seriously like 20 pounds, Bill. It's huge.
Alright, go, go, go. I got it right here, right here.
I know, I see. It's huge. Baby, back
Get it.
off a notch on your drag. If we get this in, I'm gonna freak out. Oh my god, Boo. Boo. I can't even lift it. Boo.
Here.
What the f? No. Hold on. There we go.
Oh,
I'm
that
just
was
gonna let it
huge.
freak out.
Alright.
Boo. How
That
did
was
it not
giant.
fight harder? I'm glad you left your night crawler in.
I know, it was just
Holy-
chilling there.
We're staying here the rest of the time. We got a couple hours. That is the biggest. That's the biggest carp I've ever seen. And it's
Yeah.
a grass carp.
Yeah, me too.
Are you shitting me right now? I was not ready for that. I was not even remotely ready for that.
Surprise. That is giant. Here, you can hand it to me.
Giant grass carp. Holy shit.
Look how
Look at it. That's epic.
That is giant for sure.
I don't even know if you're gonna be able to hold this thing. Let's get him up here.
Okay.
Oh, I'm not even shitting you. He's like, 20 some pounds.
He looks very heavy.
I'm gonna get him unhooked. And then you might have to hold him in the water for a second. I think I need to go get a tape measure.
I can go get one.
It's just my backpack. And I can hold it in the water for you so it doesn't die.
Okay. Tape measure, tape measure, tape measure.
Whale. Not the easiest to do on a steep bank.
We can leave him in the net and do it.
Probably gonna have to, kinda. Even though he won't straighten out in the net. We're gonna have to just do a completely ghetto measurement, but at least
Like 42.
he's at least 42 inches. Now you gotta try to hold this thing.
Okay.
Or you want me to hold it for you?
Yeah. I can try.
He's a strong boy.
You're just gonna have to flop him on me and I'll just sit down here.
Okay. Let's try to get you some pictures. I've never seen any species of carp this big in my whole life. You ready to hold your bud?
I guess.
Good thing about fishing in the Missouri River, you have no idea. You're gonna smell like shit after this, but here's your prize. Go. That thing is disgusting.
Oh god, he's talking. Oh no.
We're gonna have to wash every piece of clothes that we own when we get home, even the ones we're not
Times 3.
wearing. We're gonna have to wash all of our clothes in our drawers too.
Alright,
Let's
hurry before it moves. He's gonna go flopping down the hill.
Now what?
Now what?
Get it back, try to catch something else. I guess put him back in the net. Try to release him that way.
Oh my gosh.
And probably the most unexpected.
Yeah, unexpected.
Somehow, I'm gonna have to get him to swim out of the net.
There you go. That was good.
Could have been better, but
I was going for a drumfish. We're gonna go back to the last spot and cook some walleyes. Okay, here we go, here we go. We got some walleye fillets. Looks like it's in Frank's Red Hot. We got some oil, some tongs. Yeah, that's a terrible place for bait. Chick-fil-A sauce, and some flour. So what we're gonna do first, get that piece of grass out of there. Nasty. We are going to start her up. Put some oil in there. Put them in the flour. Shake them up real good. Oh, that Red Hot smells good. But yeah, we got the poles out, and after that grass carp, oh my goodness, that was insane. I don't know if I can handle any more fish here. No, that was super cool. 2 more poles down there, kind of watching those, and then this is just a night crawler pole. Those are the cut bait poles. It's getting kind of chilly. Oh, now she's heating up. Yummy. 2 big old fillets. Looks delicious. Josh is out somewhere looking for the other pole holder. We lost it somewhere. I'm so excited. Whoa. Chef Boo. Oh. Ah. So good. And number 2. So good. Boo, dinner's ready. Yep.
What'd you make?
Fish sandwiches.
Doesn't look shitty. Even got Chick-fil-A sauce. Did you put Chick-fil-A sauce on yours? Proud of you. Who said Chick-fil-A sauce is bad for you? There's some article about something weird about it. I was like, Chick-fil-A sauce is bad for you, I'd be dead.
Okay.
Because I ate a lot of it.
What do you think?
Very good. Being out here in the middle of the wilderness, I'd give this about a 9 out of 10.
I'd give it a 10 out of 10 because it's with you.
Oh my god, that's so sweet.
Good.
Good stuff. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe. Okay, pow, bye.
Yeah, what he said.
Okay, thanks for food.
Bye, River. See you later. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for the sandwich.
Me kick his ass.
We're gonna die.
Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.